globally, where population growth is currently predicted, a lot of the fecal sludge management, about 74% of the fecal sludge management zones are actually in areas where water is a scarce resource. So how do you start treating waste without water? And that's why there's a need to move away from a centralized system and look at how you can do it in a distributed system.
Well, this certainly can't be a new problem. I'm sure society, we've known this for a long time, decades, if not hundreds of years. And so I'm really curious about what the challenges are, kind of getting to this point, and what the Gates challenge that you're involved in, what it's addressing.
Yeah, most certainly. So you're right. It's not a new problem. People have been having to deal with their waste for quite a long time. What we have been facing over the last, let's say, 100 years, maybe a little more, is we see a kind of a dense urbanization, right? We have people moving towards cities. And so with that, we had kind of the advent of the flush toilet and the S-trap and the P-trap, which has really modernized a lot of our sewage infrastructure. And that occurred right around 1900s. So it's been about 100 years now since we've seen a kind of a reimagination of that system. And so about a decade ago, the Gates Foundation realized this and said, you know what, we need to help nucleate a change in how we look at sanitation. Right, and so up until that point, I would say the field was really kind of stagnating. There weren't really new inventions to come to that were developed.